Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a scrolling motion effect on your video. And let's go to the tutorial. First we need to open your Capcut and then add a blank screen like this, and after that add a text onto this screen. For example, I will try to add a year, this one, and then click enter. One more, the last one, and the next year. And after you finish doing it, now click fonts, and you can change the font with the fonts that you want. But for example, I will try to add this font, and for the style I think I will just use this regular style and then finish. And now you need to zoom the font like this and change the perspective onto 2021. And after that, increase the duration of the font as same as the background duration. And after you finish doing it, now you need to click this font and then click the keyframe button here, click it, and after that swipe left until the end. And now you need to scroll up like this onto the last text on your video like this. And when you're done doing it, now you can see that this video is already have a scroll effect. And to make it much more smooth, add a curve and then use the ease out, this one. Okay, and now if you want to add a masking, you can do this. Let me show you the way how to add the mask. Click overlay, add an overlay, and then insert the black background one more time like this one. And now click the overlay, swipe left until you found layer, click layer, and make the position of the overlay on top of the text like this. And after that, adjust the size of it. Now swipe left again the toolbar and then click mask, use the rectangle mask, and then click invert button here, click it to make you see the previous text that's covered with the overlay background. And after that, adjust the size of the mask and the style of the mask. Let me try to do this. And after you finish doing it, now we will get this result. And that's the way how to make a scrolling motion onto your video using Capcut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.